Hello everyone. Today I am explaining conditional control statement. Conditional control statements are the statement it is used to communicate with computer. Suppose we want to communicate with computer, we need a special language like C, C++, Java, VB, Basics and so many programming language are available today in a market. So in this chapter we are discuss the basic. Okay, so basic, which stand beginners all purpose symbolic instructions code. It is basically high level programming language. It's developed on 1960. The basics are today in today's lab, basics having different versions. At present we are having different versions of basics. Example is basic A, Q basics, GW basic, Visual basic, etc. Now here we are discuss the Q basic. Q basics and its element. So the content of today's topics are basics elements of Q basics, control statement, go to statement, if then statement, if then else statement and if else statement. Now the first basic element. In Q basic there are basic element we are discussing. First, constant, variable, operators and commands. Now constants are the value whose not changed during the executions of program. It's called constants. Basically two types of constants are we are using. First, numeric constants, it store only number values. Second, string constant, it's store the number, letter as well as both. Whatever we are inserted in double quotation, it's called string constant. Now next, variable. Variable is also two types, numeric variable and string variable. Numeric variable store numbers and string variable store number, letters and both. Now the operators. Just like in simple maths we are using different operators just like plus, minus, multiplications, division, etc. So in programming language we are using these also as a mathematical operations. These are used to calculate something. Relational operator. If we want to relate two value, so we are using less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not. This operator is used to compare. Now the command. Some basic commands are also available. First, if we are communicate with computer, we need a special commands. Each and every programming language has its own commands. In Q basics we are using CLS, let, input, print and end. CLS used to clear the screen. Let is used to assign the value just like let a equal to 10. Let a equal to 10. It is a used to assign the value to the variable. Now input. Input accept the value from the users. Like we are giving input, then suppose here I am giving the message enter. Okay, so then comma a. So here this function is used to accept the value in variable a. Same in print, we are write the print and give the message and variables. Now next is end. End is used to close the program. So next, control statement. Control statement is used to execute control statement is a statement used to repeat or skipping some condition. It mean by if basically our programs run top to bottom, okay, top to bottom. But if you want to skip some statement from the program, so we are using control statement. The basic control statement today we are discuss go to, if then, if else then, and if else if and else. Okay, so now let's start with go to statement. Go to statement is used to shift the control of program to a desired command with a special label. Okay, so here go to statement. Look at this program carefully. First print line A, so the output is line 1 will be print. Then go to 10, so it will be skip the line number 2 from here. Okay, and they shifted to the 10. Okay, and it will be print the line number 3. Again we are giving the command go to ABCD, so it will be again skip the print line 4, and we got the immediately it will be skip this line, go to on went to the ABC statement and print the next line. So output of these are line 1, then skip the line 2 because we are giving the go to 10, then line 3, then it again skip line 4 because here we are giving the command go to ABC, and it will be print line 5. Okay, these types of our control statement work. Now next, if then statement. It is a most basic statement, okay, used to check condition. If the condition is true, then statements written between if then and executed. It's a basically simple statement. Okay, so look at this. First CLS, okay, it means by clear the screen. Then one message we are giving to the users, print input your age, and one function, input function, it accept the value from the users. Then we just check the condition with the help of age is greater than or equal to 18. Then print you are allowed to vote. If the users enter more than 18, so then after this statement will be executed, otherwise it will be not execute. Directly it shifted to end if. Okay, now if then else statement. First line is if we want to give the conditions and we want to execute at least any one statement. Okay, either our conditions are true or either false. So in that situation we are using else statement. So look at this command. First clear screen. Second we are passing the input enter password. So user enter the password and these values is stored in the variable pass $. Okay, then we are giving condition pass is pass $, equal to xyz x. Then print x is printed, else print x is denied. It means by if users enter the password x, y, z or x, okay, then it will be printed, otherwise it will be printed at least this next statement. Okay, so it's called if then else statement. Now next, if we want to check more than one condition, so in this purpose we are using this if statement, elif statement, elif statement and else statement. Okay, so if we want to check more than one conditions in our program, so we are using if, else if and else statement. So here we are giving first input, enter marks in percent. Okay, if percent is greater than equal to 60 then क्या करेगा, प्रिंट फर्स्ट डिवीजन. एल्स इफ मतलब यहाँ पे हम फिर से कंडीशन चेक करेंगे, देन इट विल बी शो प्रिंट सेकेंड डिवीजन. एल्स इफ again we are checking the conditions on here, then and print. If these conditions, all these conditions are false, so at least it give one simple statement, fail statement. Okay, thank you.